Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Suburban. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip console mount number 835016. As a quick side note, this mount also fits the Chevy Tahoes and the GMC Yukons. So the first thing we want to know about this mount, it does use some double-sided tape. You can see it as this blue covering here. You want to peel off that cover before you attach it to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever need to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. The second thing we want to mention is make sure you install the mount onto the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. The two places this mount's going to attach is the seam that's right between the cubby door and the console here, and then down almost into the footwell there's a seam between the hard part and the underside of the console here. So we can just open up the cubby and we're going to put the upper part over the top lip here, and then we're just going to use our hands to press down on the top of the mount and our fingers to press inwards on this side until the mount clicks into place in that lower seam. There you go. Now you can close the door, and with the mount in place we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.